welcome back. So I just wanted to film this quick kind of review video. So at the beginning of July I placed an order with oVertone. Finally, I've been waiting, dying, wanting to place an order with oVertone for the longest time. So I finally got around to doing it. And so first of all, just let me tell you how great their customer service is. So I placed an order with them, and after about a month it still wasn't here, so I sent them an email and they were like, okay, you should have it by this date. So by that date I still didn't have it, so I emailed them again. They sent me out a brand new shipment. It arrived the next week and here it is. So I have my lovely little oVertone box. So what I got was the rose gold original deep treatment, the pastel pink daily conditioner, and I got the little vibrant silver kind of travel size conditioner. Now I have been using the pastel pink. You can kind of see it in my hair a little bit. I've just been using it in the shower, and I have used it 3 times now, I think, so I have been a little cautious with it. So the first time I used it, I used a lot of conditioner and a little bit of this. The second time I used it, I did a little less conditioner, a little more of this, and then the other day I used mostly this with a little bit of conditioner, and it gave me the best pink so far. However, I haven't put it on dry hair yet, and I haven't shampooed and then put it on yet because I've just been kind of adding the extra conditioner because my hair is so damaged from all the bleach. So today I wanted to try out the rose gold deep treatment. I don't want it to be too pigmented because I do work in a corporate office, and like this little bit of pink is really nice, but I would like it to be a little bit more like through everywhere. So this is the rose gold, so you can see this gorgeous vibrant kind of color. Oh, and it smells like mint gum, like so good. It smells so nice. So basically it says, use disposable gloves, apply treatment generously to wet hair. For brighter results, use dry hair, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse clean. So that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump in the shower. I'm going to shampoo my hair. Then I will show you how I'm applying this, and I'm going to use a tint brush and a bowl. So I'm going to mix it with a little bit of this white conditioner that I got at Tesco's, which is just the indulgent coconut and almond milk white conditioner, just so that I can mix it with that so it won't be quite as vibrant. And then once I've washed it out, I will show you the finished look. My roots are getting so long. It's only been like 2.5 weeks since I dyed my hair, and I'm already like, look at this volume. It's so hair washing time. Alright, let's wash this. mixed the deep treatment with some conditioner, so I'm not sure about how pink the ends are going to go, but I know that my roots are looking fully pink. I'm going to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out. It smells so good. My head is starting to feel like tingly, minty, which is really nice. It's super easy to put on, but it does stain things because it is so heavily pigmented. And so yeah, just kind of like massaged it through all my hair, and I don't even need to put anything to hold it in place because it is just holding it all up by itself. I did shampoo my hair first, so I got in and I used the Lush Rehab shampoo just to clear out because my hair had gotten so, well, you saw it was so voluminous, full of product buildup, and I've just been putting conditioner on conditioner on conditioner for the last like 3 or 4 days, so I just wanted to start with a clean slate to see how we go. I did use 3 teaspoons of the deep conditioning mask with a heavily squirt of some white conditioner just to try and tone it down a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. I really like the pictures on the internet some people have put up about how it fades out, so I'm a little excited about that. But that's quite white at the top there, so I'm a little nervous about that. But let's see. It's quite pale comparatively, isn't it? Just smush that in.
"20 minutes later."
Alright, so we are back. So this is the finished product. So it's definitely a lot more candy floss pink than I was expecting. I think it's lighter at the back because we all know how hard doing the back of your own head is. But it's very pink. It is still wet, but that's only because I don't own a hairdryer. So this is the best you're gonna get. And then I'll post some pictures about what it looks like dry once it's dried out. And hopefully, I think there's a darker bit here because remember I did like a test piece. Yeah, it's definitely lighter towards the bottom. I don't think it mixed quite so well with that other conditioner as we got to the bottom. But I'm very impressed. My hair feels, I don't know if my hair feels any softer. It's pretty damaged from the bleach, so it doesn't really have a great feel when it's wet, as everybody who knows, everyone who has damaged hair knows. I do put oils into my hair, so at the moment I'm using this damage coating essence by the Face Shop, and I've been using this since March, and I really like it. So we just got to get through that damaged phase, and we will hopefully get some nicer hair, though these roots are going to drive me mental, but I'm going to try and hold out as long as possible. My final thoughts on oVertone. So the oVertone Rose Gold treatment, let me see. So that's how much I have left. So I only used like 3 teaspoons of it. Still smells good. It left my scalp feeling really nice. When it washed out real peachy, and I think it's great. I will let you know how it fades out, of course, but I'm really excited to continue using these products. I think they are great. They so easy, so great. The colour's beautiful. I feel super shiny. I'm excited to see what it dries like, because I think the colours look darker wet than they do dry. So we shall see how it all dries out. Alright, thank you so much guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, stick around and see the next adventures that I take in my life and also with my hair. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.